4th ride, 47 kilometers away from home, and this is where I end up. These are the backwaters of Godavari of SRSP. I missed sunset though. I was some 5 minutes late. By the time sun is gone. Still worth ride. Look at the view. Amazing. Wow. I think water and humans have long prehistoric connection, because not just me, anybody of human of any age, whenever they see water they get excited, even if it's a small mug of water or a big ocean or a river like this, people get excited. I think that's there in our DNA. When our early ancestors, very late ancestors, Homo sapiens, since they have this keen, they were so much fond of water, they kept on moving, searching for water. I mean, around 2 lakhs or 1.5 lakhs years ago, the only objective for human in a day after getting food is water. I think somewhere that is stored in our DNA, and that's why we get so much excited whenever we see water, though it is simple just water. I guess I am Homo sapien now, so that's the reason for my excitement. It's getting dark and I have another 53 kilometers to ride back home, and I'm not bothering about that. Only thing that matters now is the water behind me and the water on the other side. Homo sapiens Inkilab. It's just water, but I forgot all the pain that I'm going through from last 47 kilometers. It just feels so amazing. Next time whenever you see water, recall that is the prehistoric connection with you and the water. It's there in our DNA. Chalo, it's time to go back home. I have to travel this way, like this. There is my home, somewhere there. Long way go home, and chalo, beautiful.